Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enter a group chat on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main Steam dashboard, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen where you'll find your username displayed. Hover your mouse over your username and a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Groups. This section is where Steam organizes all the communities and groups you're part of, making it easy to find and interact with other members. After clicking on Groups, you'll be taken to a new page that displays all your groups in one place. This is your central hub for managing group memberships and accessing group features. Take a moment to browse through the list and locate the specific group you want to chat with. Each group will have its own set of options and features displayed next to it. Now, once you've found the group you want to join the conversation in, look for the in-group chat option that appears next to that group's name. This button is specifically designed to take you directly into the active chat room for that particular group. Go ahead and click on In-Group Chat to proceed. And just like that, you're now inside the group chat. You can see all the ongoing conversations, send messages to other group members, and participate in real-time discussions. This is where you can engage with your community, share information, and stay connected with everyone in the group. The chat interface works just like any other messaging system, so you can type your messages and interact freely with other members. You've successfully entered your Steam group chat and can now communicate with your group members. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.